Expressing your feelings, wishes, wants, and desires appropriately is an important personal and interpersonal skill. In all your interactions with other people, whether at home or at work with employers, customers, or colleagues, assertiveness can help you to express yourself clearly, openly, and honestly. Assertiveness enables us to maintain a clear perspective and focus on creating solutions to challenges rather than excuses. This workshop includes effective methods to stand up for ourselves without undue anxiety, to express honest feelings comfortably, and to express personal rights without denying the rights of others. It also includes dynamic trainer-trainee interactions and discussions, written and oral exercises, and practical applications for each participant to apply in the workplace. This workshop is suitable for professionals wanting to improve their interpersonal communication and performance at work. The key competencies addressed include leadership, attitude, communication, influence, management controls, solutions orientation, and initiative.